Unity is the cohesive quality that makes an artwork feel complete. When all of the elements in an artwork look like they belong together, the artwork feels unified, and this gives it a sense of harmony and wholeness. Unity brings order to a composition. It's what allows the viewer to sense that every part of the work connects and contributes to a larger idea. Without unity, even strong individual elements can feel scattered or disconnected. Color schemes are a tool artists use to unify a composition, as repeating the same hues or sticking to one color family visually ties the work together. Using a dominant color scheme can create harmony, mood, and a sense of balance that makes the entire piece feel cohesive. Proximity and overlapping creates a sense of togetherness by placing elements close to each other or layering them. This technique guides the viewer's eye and suggests relationships between objects, making the composition feel organized and connected. Repetition of shapes, forms, or motifs give an artwork rhythm and consistency. Whether it's repeating lines, shapes, or forms, repetition reinforces visual ideas and creates a recognizable pattern that the eye can follow through the artwork. Lines and textures help unify a piece when they are used consistently through the composition. Consistent use of line direction, thickness, or surface texture can create movement and a sense of cohesion. Consistent surface treatment or technique ties artwork together, such as using the same sticky texture for the object and its background, the same dynamic brushstrokes, or the same color tones. Unity doesn't mean uniformity. Too much sameness can make artwork feel too static. That's why variety is equally important. It keeps the eye moving and maintains visual interest. A mix of different shapes, colors, or lines creates energy, while unity keeps everything balanced and intentional. When a work has unity, everything feels like it belongs. It's easier to see and enjoy the whole story the artwork is telling, and you can appreciate how all of the elements work together in the piece.